Hi, I'm Jaden, and I'm here to show you my new song that I created on Sketch. When I was making the song, I was aiming for a hip-hop kind of futuristic song. That's pretty much all. Bye!